This day started and ended at the same place, at Bogside Brewery. And today, we're going to solve our rad e-bike issue one way or the other.
My little pearl. She's a pretty little pearl.
Yeah.
Hey,
Didn't think of it that way.
That's cool, isn't it?
Call me Pearl.
It's called me Pearl and Pearlette.
Pearlette. So here is the Confederation Trail, and everywhere it goes is in purple. We're here, and you can kind of see it goes up along here, goes up to that point, comes down here, goes all the way around to that point. Then it just goes through the middle of Prince Edward Island. It goes all the way up, and it kind of hits every single point. It's awesome. It would have been an awesome ride.
Second Harvest hosted this trip. What do you think?
I think it was okay. We had a really good dinner last night. We had pizza. We haven't had that yet, so that was really good.
Man, this pizza looks awesome, guys. All right, today's the day we're going to go explore Charlottetown. Not sure what that means exactly.
Me either.
I think my reward for doing all that is I get some more Cal's ice cream.
That sounds good to me.
So that's your reward too? Yeah. I thought the shopping was your reward.
Well, I don't know. Is there shopping?
I don't know. There's a lot to do down there.
Let's go find out what there is.
The capital of Prince Edward Island. PEI. Let's go see.
Got to be aware where you get your information from. Sometimes it's not correct.
Yeah. So the keeper here, which really isn't a keeper anymore because these are automated lighthouses, said that this lighthouse is the oldest, 178 years old.
Wow.
But ironically has the newest visitor center. It's been redone recently. It's really beautiful.
It is very beautiful inside.
She said there are 63 lighthouses on the island of PEI, but of those, only 9 are Coast Guard approved and only 9 operate as lighthouses. And to be honest, she said they really don't need those 9 because with all the modern technology on every boat and ship and everything that's out there, they don't need lighthouses as much as they used to when every light looked like it might be another boat or something. So anyway, really interesting and a beautiful place. This is 178 years old. Wow.
Always good to have a nice clean beach.
So we just stopped and topped off on gas. It's $1.76 per liter And the math that we're doing, once we do the conversion to U.S. cash, is $4.49 a gallon. Biggest expense for this trip so far, not food, but gas.
Together, you could call it a vision or a tether. All at once I can see it, put back together.
He's got his way out and you got your way out.
Okay, so downtown Charlottetown, we're in the farmer's market right now, but we're parking here because they don't have it going on. Maggie really wants to get out of here. She's not going to want to once we get to walking around, it gets hot, but I think that's what we're going to do. Are you out of your car seat? Did I do a good job parking? Did I? What do you want? You want water?
Hey, booger.
You want on your bed?
Just delete
You're gonna walk around like you're making sure you get to go? Is that what you're doing? Huh? You are? Okay. We're gonna go explore and walk around and see what there is in the old part of Charlottetown.
Good getting in that whole spot.
Thank you. You did good in letting me. It would have been a day with you, you would have said, no, that's too tight, you can't get in there. Let's go find something else.
Just enjoy the show. I want my money back. Want my money back.
What do you think, buddy? Today we parked at the market and we walked about 3/10 of a mile, maybe 4/10 of a mile to get up here to Cal's Ice Cream. And along the way we've gone down the Victoria Row and other places, and then now we maybe get a little ice cream. And it's not that far. It's not really that crowded already. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but boy, it's hot in here. And one of the great things is I was also able to hear a lot of good music while we're here.
You want this one?
Are you walking down a waterfall, Maggie?
I don't like it.
So we got to listen to some great music from a quartet there and eat some Cal's ice cream. Even Maggie got to enjoy some, and now we crossed the street. We're going to try to go to the Rising Tide e-bikes. Guess what? Hopefully, I don't think they'll have our part, but maybe we can replace it. In air condition.
Yeah.
Feels good. Do you stock any parts to repair e-bikes? Nothing.
I have one now I'm trying to fix.
Yeah. We have a red power bike that we left North Carolina, and very first time we tried to use it, the LCD had picked up water and won't work at all. And they can ship me something, but that's difficult to do when you're rolling around. So
Well, Red. And you get a hold of Red?
through email, that's the only way you can ever talk to
Only.
them. So what bike dealer manufacturer do you deal with that is better?
Well, I'm not going to say they're better.
Well, as far as customer support.
Customer support is amazing.
Okay. And what do you? Wolf.
Wolf brand.
Oh, I see that now.
Wolf. They're out of Quebec, Montreal, Quebec.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, this looks awesome over here.
That looks like a motorcycle.
I don't care.
That one there is called the X1.
Yeah. So you heard us talking to Ian, and man, that place is awesome. Okay, here's what kind of person he is. Showed us every bike in there that he thought we might want to get. He doesn't have repairs for e-bikes, and you probably heard him saying he's not real impressed with the service from Rad, nor are we actually. And here's what we're doing. We're walking back to the RV. We're going to ride and pull up right beside of his shop and just stop. And then he's going to run outside with a control panel that he has and see if it works. And if it is, he's just going to give it to us.
Well, we're not going to let him
We won't let him give it to us for sure. But if that doesn't work, there's a good chance we're going to get another bike there and then strap one of them on and get to Mike and Kathy's and offload the other Rad. We'll see what happens. But next thing is to get back to the van, get everything ready for him to test that. Were you impressed with him?
He was awesome. He was really, really nice. He's got some nice bikes in there.
I know, gosh. Some of them, whew, man, I'll just tell you what, that's going to be, I don't know if I hope it works or it doesn't work, you know.
A lot of money.
My wallet hopes that it works. My heart hopes it doesn't. How's that?
Oh, so you want a new bike?
I didn't. Totally different connectors. We have screw-in connectors and his are clip-in. And so we're now off to get out of this. This little place here is pretty hard to get in and out of. We were in the loading zone. He said we would get a ticket if we stayed here.
Yeah.
So we're going to go down, find another place to park. I'm ready to go if you are.
Okay. You know the other one.
So we're back at the bike shop. We're looking at, we kind of like these better because they're better on paved roads, and we do a lot of paved trails. I think that would be a good thing. But the Who's Your Daddy one is up here too. So you're going to measure this one too, just for.
I'm pretty sure this one will work.
This one will work for sure.
It looks like ours.
That should be exactly the same as the Rad, shouldn't it?
4 feet, yep. It's 4 feet.
This one's
This one is?
This one's but this one's like. Okay, so this one feels similar to the Rad Mini. It folds and has a little bit better display, but has a lot of power. And let's see, I'm going the back streets now. Let's see how it does. With just throttle. Look at that.
We got a new passenger.
We call him Bikey. Not Mikey, but Bikey.
Mikey. I might need to put my hat on. Probably have hat head.
Yeah, you're all right. You look beautiful.
I look better with a hat on.
Wasn't what we intended to do today, but I feel good about the decision. And now we get to maybe stick around PEI a couple extra days and ride some of the bike trails. I think that'll be a blast. That's something that's going to be fun. So, we got you. I may have to hang on. Yep, I had to stop quickly to keep from hitting some pedestrians. Next time we'll make up for lost time as we ride the Confederation Trail, and we'll take you with us. But until then, happy trails.